Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a custom shape in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and create a new project. Now we want to create a custom shape. Select this shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am choose any shape. Then draw this shape. Otherwise you can create a custom shape. You can use the pen tool. Select this pen tool option. Now I am select the path drop down menu, choose shape, then create a custom shape using this pen tool. Finish the line of pen tool, then select that shape and change the color. Select this color option and choose another color, then click OK. Otherwise select double click on this layer and change the color. Now we can see we make a custom shape in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.